even though you're high, it's all on you, cause you the show shine. Let's get up, look around, everybody see what's going down. Fellas on the side, if you're on the wall, throw them dollars in the air, show me how you fall. Listen closely, so your attention's undivided. On the count of 3, I want the club divided. But just the way I came off, man, I'm gonna come off, man. Make it pop off, then what you wanna do? Wait, niggas wanna drink tonight. A few Apple Mars, I can't think tonight. See me hitting on you, cause I got a buzz. It ain't even round 2, this is Punch Drunk Club. Understand the man behind the movement. Ace up, league in the back, about to hit the place up. Mommy, stay low, don't pick your face up. League got the bar, all my niggas is laced up. Come through 36 trucks outside. It's all.
My name's Matthew Schofield. I did a Bachelor of Visual Arts degree at Griffith, and now I'm working as the supervising storyboard director on The Simpsons. I've been working for Film Roman for about the last 14 years. I've started off as a character layout artist, became an assistant director, became a director, and now I'm supervising storyboard director. Film Roman is the animation studio in the United States that handles the storyboards, the designs, the character layouts for the show. Just after I finished at Griffith, I went down to Sydney, got a job at a small commercial studio. I made contacts in LA, and about a year later, I found myself with my first job in the American animation industry. I worked on Quest for Camelot and Iron Giant for Warner Brothers, and I worked on Prince of Egypt for DreamWorks, and then I started on The Simpsons. What I love about my job is I get to influence the course of my favourite animated show. I've loved The Simpsons since I was a college student at Griffith. To be able to watch an episode of the show and see my name on the front of the show in the credits, that was just like a dream come true for me.